Hello and welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you this software eCam Resets Pro, used as a quick reset guide for Airbus A320 aircraft. This is a quick reset guide and it's not replacing AMM or FCOM or Airbus documentation, as you know, but it's a useful quick reset guide. You can use it as a reset using systems. You can browse the systems. You can choose the system you want to reset. BMC, for example. You see here that you need to pull the circuit breaker for 10 seconds and it gives you the location of the circuit breaker. For example, BSCU, and the procedure. There's another function, another tool, eCam warning. When you go to the eCam warning, the message on the eCam, for example, air pack 1 or 2 fault, you click on it and see the related circuit breaker. You can go to the circuit breaker by name and its location. These are the names that written on the circuit breaker on the panel, on the circuit breaker panel on the aircraft. Or you can browse by panel. 49 view, (106) view, 121 view, etc. You can also find the circuit breaker by name. For example, you can write panel, so you can find the forward attendant panel of the SIDS. You can write BSCU, not found. You can write BMC. You can write avionics equipment ventilation controller. Okay, that's it. This is the eCam Resets Pro software, used as a quick reset guide for Airbus A320 aircraft. I hope you like it. I'll give you the link to this software down below in the video description. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.